Yep, I got an AR-15 for Christmas. Now, this optic, though, we are going to switch out. I'm pretty sure, I think I want to run it first to see if I like it or not. But I might be doing some upgrades to this bad boy. What kind of upgrades do you think I should do? Put them in the comments below. All right, so today what we're going to talk about is GunSkins. No, this is not sponsored by GunSkins. I'm not that cool. So let me show you what's going on here. And we are going to slap on these GunSkins on these AR-15 magazines. Here we go. Hopefully you guys can see this. All right. Here's a towel. So just to kind of like wipe them off. I don't even know if this works. Okay. You can see it like suck to the magazine. So that's pretty neat. It's pretty neat. This is awesome, actually. Okay. My language, sorry guys. Gosh. Okay, there we go. I like it. So, how do you order these? On my website, badassconcealed.com. If you go to badassconcealed.com and click on the GunSkins link, it throws me a small little commission at no charge for you, so thank you for doing that. But you don't have to. You know what? I know, and I just want the best for you, so this is why I'm doing this video. A lot of us will spray paint them. We will try different grips, and then you either just hate them so you take them off, or you just keep them on because it's like, nah, why bother? But no, I found GunSkins, and this is amazing. So I recommend you guys try it out. I'm gonna hurry and finish this. Do you guys have GunSkins? Have you even heard about GunSkins? Honestly, I did not hear about GunSkins until just recently. So I'm glad that I purchased these so I could try them out on my magazines. Don't you worry, we will test them to make sure they stand up to our training. Okay, check this out. Notice how you can't see the rivets of the magazine? Well, just wait. I'm gonna put these around though, because when I threw heat on it, they like shriveled up a little bit. Okay, check this out. Can you see it? I hope so, because I swear I'm not lying to you. So please just read the correct instructions before doing this, because I'm pretty sure the warranty won't hold up if you do it my way. I did not clean it correctly, and I'm probably not putting them on correctly. I'm not using the correct heat, but you know what? This is what I have. I really don't want to use a torch, especially inside. I'm sure it would be fine, but no, I'm good. I burnt rice and it caught on fire, so there's that. You guys, love. And I don't know about you, but I know that a hairdryer can like burn your hair, so I'm pretty sure this heat will work. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, is it professional on this side? No. On this side though, I'm up for hire if you guys need. But I'm digging it. I do like this. I want to put it inside the magazine well and see how sexy it looks. Do you guys want to see that too? What do you think? I think she's pretty sexy. What do you guys think? So this is my M4 Tippmann, and I think it just looks super, super sexy with the new gun skin on it. What do you guys think? Yeah, I could have done a better job, but that's okay. Ooh. Okay, hello. I just like it. It matches very, very well with the setup that he's got here. So I hope that he's happy with it. I'll let you know if he's not. But I'm sure he will, because this looks badass. Okay guys, until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.